So anyway, I had 2,000 points at Ulta that I had been saving up. I had a little over 2,000 actually. Normally, like, you can only redeem at certain levels, but they let me redeem all of them. So my total was 144. By the time they had added in all my points, it was 679. Yes, yes. I felt like the greatest shopper ever watching that total change. It was like the best day of my life. I've never actually redeemed points like that many points and not ever in store. Normally I redeem them online, like for when I'm in the middle of the night shopping online for stuff I don't need and I'm just like, I really want it and I have no money. Sorry, I keep fidgeting. Anyway, so a lot of it is from Ulta. I also picked some stuff up at Walmart when I was in there, and I'm probably going to have more stuff when it's time to actually do my makeup for this video. I don't know, actually, because I did pick up some stuff that I had needed. But, yeah, let's just go ahead and get it started. So it is. I can't even show you guys how much stuff is in there. Like, I don't think that's getting it all, because this is all makeup. Like, that's literally bigger than my head. Now, obviously we can't have a drugstore haul without getting the king or queen of drugstore brands, e.l.f. I've heard really good things about this sponge, so it's a highlight and blending sponge. I don't know, it looks fun. Then I also got e.l.f. lashes. I got the luxe ones, so they're like $4. Their lashes used to all be $1. Now like the cheapest is $2, so they're really bringing it up. This is an eyeshadow brush for my sister. I didn't get drugstore brushes just because I already have some and I don't see the point of buying all drugstore brushes that I might hate. When I do the drugstore tutorial, I really want them to actually look good. I'm not trying to make drugstore brands look bad. And I don't know of very many drugstore brands that have good quality brushes. I might go look for some, but for the most part I'm probably going to use the brushes that I know and love. That way I can actually work with the products themselves and not worry about if the brush is good or not. I also got Milani. This is the Earthy Elements eyeshadow palette. It just looked like colors that were very much my style. My colors, they're like nudes and warm. I might get another eyeshadow palette, I don't know. I don't know, if I see something with fun colors that just calls to me. Okay, this worries me. This is the Milani highlighter in Rose Glow. The colors look like they've been swatched. Like, do you see that? But it's still taped shut. It looks like someone tried to open it, but it doesn't look like it has been opened. But they definitely look like they've been swatched. Oh yeah, somebody definitely touched those. That's really gross because you shouldn't be touching stuff. This I bought at Walmart. They don't have testers at Walmart. If you want a tester, go to Ulta or Sephora. I also got another Milani blush in one of their matte shades. This is the Coral Cove. It's like a pink corally color and it looked beautiful. Let's see. Oh, I got Makeup Revolution London Strobe Highlighter in Moon Glow Lights. It's just a nice neutral highlight color. I wanted to have options, and also I just wanted to try a bunch of different brands that I have never tried before. This is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I just got the bronzer in the shade Bronzer. They had a few different options, and I was like, I'm just gonna go for original, because it looks like the best. And this is seen all over YouTube, so there's that. This is the Soap & Glory Beauty Sleep Accelerator Night and Flight Moisture Miracle. It's like an overnight hydrating mask, which I've been looking for one since Estee Lauder Edit is no longer a thing. I loved their overnight water pack, the peony pack, and they don't sell it anymore. So you can use this like overnight or on an airplane, which sounds amazing. And I don't know that Soap and Glory is actually drugstore. I've never seen them anywhere but Ulta on the drugstore side, and so that's why I'm including them in this drugstore haul. So this is what the packaging looks like. I'm really excited to try that. I've been looking for a new overnight mask for a while. And then I got the Soap and Glory Sexy Mother Pucker Lip Plumping Gloss. And I got the shade Rose and Shine. I've heard good things about this. I don't really wear gloss a lot, but I do love a good lip plumping anything. So this was actually on sale, probably because it's been ripped open. And it is the, just so you know, I did not know that this had been ripped open. And actually it wasn't on sale, it was already $9. This is the matte lip kit from Makeup Revolution in Vampire Night. I really hope this wasn't used. No, it's still clean in there. My Ulta I've never seen them sell something that's been used before, and I bought this at Ulta, but you can always tell by opening it up, and if the wand is like clean up towards this top and this lip is clean, then that means no one's ever actually pulled the wand out. And it is clean, so that's nothing to worry about. It must have just got ripped open or something at one point, and then they put it back. And this is still wrapped in plastic, so it hasn't been opened, just the packaging's been ripped. But yeah, it's like a bold color and it looks awesome. And I'm like, it's a lip kit, so I'm assuming it's supposed to be comparable to the Kylie lip kits. I don't know. I've only had one Kylie lip kit and I didn't really like it, so hopefully this is good. I loved the Kylie lip liner from it. I didn't like the lipstick, but the lip liner was awesome. I also got from Maybelline New York the Python Metallic Lip Kit. And this is a little bit different. It's got like a lipstick and then a shadow that you put over. And I got Python because my wife really liked like the blue and gold look, but I didn't want the one that she pointed out because it just like kind of freaked me out, the color scheme. But so yeah, there's a lip color and then a metallic powder. And you put the lip color on and then you put the powder over it. I want to open it and see what it looks like. They didn't have any like testers of this. So it comes in a little thing. Ooh. So that greenish blue is the lip color and it's like an actual lipstick. And then the gold over here is the powder. I am excited to play with that. It looks kind of cool. Got another Milani blush here in Tea Rose. I got the Rimmel London Stay Matte Powder, and I just got the shade Buff Beige because it looked like the closest to my shade. I've heard really good things about this as a drugstore powder. I got the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. I heard it's freaking magical. And I got Soft Beige. They didn't have too many testers, but this looked like the closest. So I've heard really amazing things about it being just truly magical. I also got the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation and Concealer in Light Beige. This has also been talked about all over the Facebook groups I'm in. I also got the LA Girl Pro Matte High Definition Longwear Matte Foundation. I've actually never heard about this, so I don't know if it's good or not. And I got this in the shade Medium Beige. Can you guess? I just go for whatever's neutral and beige, because that tends to be whatever. There was another foundation that I was trying to get, and it was the something light. I think it was also by Rimmel, but they didn't have it in my shade. They had like 3 shades, and none of them were my shade. Then I got 2 primers. This is the Catrice Cosmetics Mattifies Optically Prime and Fine Pore Refining Anti-Shine Base. So it's a mattifying primer. Then I found this at Walmart, and it had this trend discovery sticker on it. It's from the brand Found. I'm almost done, boo. It's from the brand Found, which I've never heard of. It just popped up at Walmart one day. And this is the color correcting face primer and has a picture of a peony, and I love peonies, so I grabbed it. This is what it looks like. What's up? Then I got 2 Milani lipsticks. These are the Amore Matte Lip Creams. And I got them in the shade Devotion and Obsession. Devotion's the red one, Obsession's the purple one. Can you not? I got 2 LA Girl Matte Flat Velvet lipsticks. They're like bullet style lipsticks. And these are in the shades, what are these shades? This one's a nude shade. It doesn't have a name apparently. Snuggle, and it's like a nude. And then this one is in the shade Bite Me, and it's a deeper red. This is the Katy Kat Gloss from, what is that, CoverGirl and Katy Perry collection, and this is Cobalt Kitty. And it's a beautiful teal blue, sky blue type color. I also got the Maybelline New York Superstay Matte Ink in shade Voyager. It's like a purpley red. I don't know. It looks like it's going to be pretty. And then I decided to give the LA Girl Pro Concealer a try because everyone talks about it being amazing, and this is just in the shade Natural. I'm hoping it's light enough and not too dark for me, but we'll see. And that's everything. It doesn't look as much outside the bag. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, but let me know what you think in the comments down below. Go ahead and follow me on Twitter and Instagram at SheWhoSpeaks, _ instead of spaces. I'm also on Snapchat at Kimberly.Nicole with a K, not a C. Go ahead and click on my face to become an adventurer and join our little family. And if you want to watch another one of my videos right now, there will be 2 on the screen for you to choose from. Thanks for watching. Bye.